What's up, everybody? How's it going? Today's video, we're basically not gonna be working on Chevys, but check out this hat. Now, it's a little dirty because I wear it. This hat I've been wearing for about a little over a year now, and I've washed it several times. Anyways, if you want a hat like this, I've got 10 more black hats. I gotta sell these 10 black hats before I order more. So I had my buddy Matt with Mob Street. He's been pressing these on, but I'm gonna buy my own hat machine because we're gonna start cranking out some hats. Now, I need to get a different color, but for now I only have black. Now, I do have some gray, silver slash hats and a red hat, the red and white hat that looks really good with this patch. Also, we're gonna do new patches. So if I sell these 10 hats, we're gonna order 20 more. Then if I sell those 20, we're gonna order 40. See what I do? I'm gonna just every time I buy hats, I'm gonna double my quantity until we're at a spot where we got enough hats in stock. So, anyways, today's video, let's turn this thing on. Check this out. So, you see that? You see how cracked this screen is? So my daughter got a little too touchy with it, and you know, it wouldn't, I don't know, it wouldn't, she was trying to push some buttons and it wouldn't push, so she got a little buck wild with it and she cracked the screen. Anyways, I made her buy me a new screen. So, in today's video, we're gonna be taking this off. Now, from what I understand is, yes, this truck is a little dirty too because it's a work truck. What I understand is we're gonna pull this thing down, and there's a couple bolts up in here to take this off. So, maybe, yeah, I think, yeah. Anyway, so we pull the airbag out, a couple bolts in here, and then there's a bolt behind this and a bolt behind this, and then there's 2 bolts down here that we got to take off. All of them, according to the internet, are 7 millimeters. So we're gonna get started pulling this thing apart. I'm gonna pull that out. I'll set the timer. I'll try to set this camera up to get kind of like a little time-lapse video. If not, I'll jump in here and show this. But here's the deal. Thanks for watching. This may not be a super important video, but for those of you who may have a truck like this, it's a 2013 F150, and we're gonna change the screen. So it sounds like a fairly simple-ish idea. So we are going to do that. All right, so first step, we're checking this thing out. So you're gonna get up in here, all right? Up underneath here, see that silver thing? There's 3 bolts, black bolts, so you can see them. Let's see if I can point in here. This bolt, and that bolt. So if you can see those, 1, 2, 3. I believe that's what's holding your airbag thing on right here. So it's in your dash thing, and honestly, to pull that out, you just push those in and that'll slide out. All right, take note. Most of the guys on the internet are saying those are 7 millimeters. These bolts up here, those ones on my truck are an 8 millimeter. Just an FYI. All right, so now we got these 2 bolts right here. I believe these ones are gonna be a 7, but let's check. Yep, those ones are gonna be a 7. So anyways, next, take off that. Okay, folks. All right, so we got the bolts out from the bottom here, and we basically just kind of pulled this from the bottom and then kind of pulled it here. We didn't pull it all the way out because we kind of got enough little, you know, I mean, that's overlapped right there, so you just kind of be careful. But I kind of pulled it out just a little bit so I could get to that bolt right there. I pulled that, so now I just got to pull this one and this one, and then same on this side. There's 4 bolts that hold this radio on here. And actually, let's set this up so we can film it. So I forgot to film this part, but after I got these bolts out, I basically you just unhook the radio right there. You just took those two things out, connect your new one in, and basically I turned it on before I put everything back together, make sure she's gonna be working. My heater's on full blast, but anyways, there we go. I got a new radio touchscreen in the F150. So that's simple as that, folks. We just ordered one off of eBay. Well, my daughter did. My daughter found one off of eBay. It's off probably used truck, but anyways, that's it. So I'm gonna put back together, obviously reverse the situation and put everything back together, put all the bolts back in, and you're ready to rock and roll. So anyways, hey, thanks for watching. I know this ain't like my normal Chevy stuff, but I'm also trying to do like how-to videos because I do things to my vehicles, and I watch YouTube and try to get other videos, you know, kind of learn the basics. Like, I mean, I could have figured this out, I don't know, read the manual or whatever, but it was really easy to just hop on YouTube, check a few videos. So if you watch this video and this video helps you, like it, subscribe. Maybe you don't subscribe because you're not a fan of Chevys and you'd rather have this Ford here, but I have it all. I got Ford, everything but Dodge. Dodge is just, don't even get me started with Dodge. But, or Toyotas, man. Oh, jeez. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, girls, whoever, he, she's, moms, your dads. Tell your mom I said hi. Oh, and your aunt. Tell your aunt I said hi. But anyways, check this out. This is what I'm gonna leave people with when I'm out in the garage. Winners find a way, losers find an excuse. I could have not done this. I mean, I could have made up an excuse. I mean, I didn't have a shop, I didn't have all this stuff. Anyways, I do have a shop, it's nice, so it was nice. But you get my drift. Just have a good day, and everybody just treat others with respect. If you don't want to treat them with respect and you have problems with people, just ignore them, cut them out of your life. Just stop chatting with them, stop talking to them. Then you don't have to have a bunch of drama and stuff. You know what I mean? Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this helped. So if this helped you, great. I love it. I like doing this stuff because I, for one, come to YouTube for this stuff too. So if you happen to watch my video while you did this, I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good day and smile every morning. Say hi to your mom.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Wait